elevator direction control using AND and OR gates. Now that we have the latching and stop circuits, the next on the list is the direction control board. Here is the logic behind it. First, we have an OR gate that takes input from car call, hall call up and hall call down. Next, we have an AND gate that takes input from the OR gate and the not down signal. This provides the call above signal to indicate that there are calls above the lift. As explained in previous videos, not down is the inverted up direction signal. They mean the same thing. We have to use the inverted signals because there will be no up or down signal if the lift is stationary. If we did not use the inverted signals, the lift would not be able to start since there's no direction control signal to trigger the direction control system. Here is the circuit for calls below. It works in essentially the same way as the calls above circuit. So, now let's take a look at the schematic for this. Here is the OR gate. Here we have the AND gate for the call below signal. Here we have the AND gate for the call above signal. So, let's build it. There was still more assembly to be done, but I completed and tested it off camera to keep this video short.